like New Year's. What am I going to this New Year's? This is cute. This New Year's. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Happy birthday to me. Happy belated birthday to me. Thank you. I'll try my best to stay consistent. Stay consistent. So guys, thank you so much. It's been a great night. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go now. Continue to share. Continue to like, continue to subscribe. I will assist you in whatever you need in terms of CSEC or anything that I post. Just comment down below and I will answer your questions, guys. Ensure to like the videos because it helps the algorithm to send out my videos to basically send out my videos and to recommend my videos to others, okay? Alright, so do that for me, please, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I have many more and many more ideas to come. I'm going to end the live here. I post videos. Well, I'm not going to start posting ear videos more often because I realize most of you are here for the ear videos, and I have no problem doing the ear videos if you want to see ear videos. I do art. I like interior designing, architecture. I like what else? Um, I like to vlog also, but sometimes I forget that I want to vlog on that day. So if you're into those things, just stay tuned, subscribe and watch. All right, guys. I have different contents coming on this channel. All right, guys. So you have to just stay tuned, and I thank you guys. All right. So this is it, just to remind myself when I hit that mark. Even if it's the only mark I'm going to hit, it's still a good birthday gift. It's still a good thing for me, all right? Because at first I wasn't consistent, but I'm going to try to stay consistent. It's been motivating so far to post those videos, to see that the videos are helping. Persons are not commenting and telling me that the videos help, but when I do see subscribers, personally, they say they share the video, they tell the other person to watch the videos to get ideas, to do this, to do that. But even though I like them to comment, they're not commenting. They rather just tell me face to face that they like the videos. But when they comment, they help the video, but they're not doing. But I appreciate just the same, just the same. I thank you guys. All right, guys. So I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys. Artworkfly.